On today's episode of Oh My God, I've got so much stuff to do and too little time to do it, we are continuing with our projects. First thing I'm going to start working on this morning is getting that differential seal in. As you can see, it's still open, nothing's happened there. Steering knuckle. This joint has to be rebuilt. What else we got? Oh, we got our fenders going in. We got rear SwayLOC going in. We got our pinion seal going in. We've got our Starlink going in. We've got our shifters going in. We've got our fenders going in. So I'm gonna get off of here and get some of this shit done. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a biscuit and then we're gonna get started. I got Wayne coming over to help me today. High steer bracket. That's the main thing. So once I get the pinion gear in and get that back on the ground, then we'll probably flip the truck around and start working on the front axle. Take the steering knuckle off, get the new steering knuckle prepped, get the bracket welded on. So that's what's happening today. So keep an eye out for that. I'll do a short video on that, and then all of the different installs I'm going to do separate videos for those. Of course, yeah. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it.